Alright, so we're gonna replace our fuel filter Ford Everest 2013 with this one, Motorcraft AFG 182. Need to remove this first. First is you need to disconnect the water sensor harness, and you also have to disconnect these two bolts in here. You'd also want to put catch can to avoid the diesel from spilling all over the place. Alright, you should be able to loosen it by hand. Loosen it first and then get all diesel drain. Is able to pull this out. Don't know with this mud shells in gas stations why they want to tighten this. So very hard. Let's lubricate it with some diesel. Then let's put it back. Okay. Now I'm gonna tighten it to a 3/4 turn. It has to be like this. Hand tight it just like that. Make sure that there will be no leaks. I think that's good. Then we're gonna replace this O-ring with the new one, right? Okay. I'll also dip it in the diesel. Okay. Replace it with the new one. Nice and slow. Okay. And then let's put it back. Much you just have to hand tight it. I think this one like that. And then let's put back the two holes in here. Another one. Okay. Like this one. Okay. Just snap it. That folks. Okay. Make it that. Sure that it's secured. And apply for some excess. Six.
And then we have to prime the fuel filter. You have to pump it. I think I was able to pump for around 65
It's
times.
getting hard. Okay. Okay, let's just wait for the glow plug. Okay, let's try to start it now. Let's prime it a bit. And then start. There you go. All right, so that's it.